Hi everyone. So today I wanted to show you a fun tool that you can use using your iPad or your iPhone. So if you don't want to print, this is a neat thing that you can do. So if you go to visualkids.org, I'm going to go ahead and scroll to activities, and right now I have a page that you can it takes you to the letter A, and I'm going to go ahead and upload and then scroll and click save image, and it's going to save it like a photo. So once you do that, click camera, and then right there where you would open for images, you have the letter A, and I'm going to click edit, and then the three dots, I'm going to press that and click on markup. The cool thing about this is that right here is a markup. Usually yours pops up over here. That's the default. So I would click auto minimize, so it goes right here to the side, and you can always find it. It's really nice, and it doesn't scroll down and hide on you. And then you can pick the different colors that you can do with the letter A and kind of have fun with it. So this is some of the examples, and hopefully that helps, something that you can do instead of printing. All right, have a good one.